Okay, so good morning, children. I hope you all are safe and taking these steps to protect yourself. And every time, whenever we have class, we discuss these things because, children, it is really very important, and we need to protect our society, our people to whom we meet every day, those who are really important for us, and as a teacher, you all are very important for us, for the school, for the community, for the country. So you need to save or protect yourself. And I think that everybody knows that how responsible you people are also in order to educate other people of the community. And it is the time to spread awareness about this. So I hope this pandemic definitely it will go and we will be able to protect ourselves. And within a month of one or two, vaccine will come. And I think, but but in spite of vaccine, suppose it is released in the next 2 months, but then also for next 6 months you have to be very careful because according to the health minister, it was stated that near about 25 crore people will get the medicine, get that vaccine. But unfortunately, the population of our country is 130 crore. So see, the majority of people will not be able to get that. So we don't know whether we will be able to get or not. So it is very important to be aware of these things and we need to protect ourselves. Thank you. Okay, now, so children, how many of you know rapper class?
I know, sir.
Yes, what is a rapper class?
So wrapper class is a class which stores the value of primitive data type as an object.
Okay. So wrapper class is a class which stores the value of primitive data type as an object, right? So here, wrapper class example. Here, if int is equals to 10, then what will be its wrapper class, Shantanu?
So can you please repeat the question, sir?
We have a primitive data type on the screen. I hope you can see that. Int is equals to 10. So what will be its
Yes, sir.
wrapper class?
So capital is an integer, sir, I think.
So I'm storing this primitive data type within this. Got it? Got it or not?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
And there is another way is also that integer b is equals to a, we can write directly. This process of storing the primitive type, this complete process is known as boxing. And this process is also storing, but it is known as auto boxing. I hope you people have understood. So the process of
Yes, sir.
storing the primitive data type within the object of the respective wrapper class is known as boxing or auto boxing. Got it?
तो इसका फायदा क्या है सर?
It is this wrapper class is actually used to convert one primitive data type to another.
Yes, sir.
Okay, suppose we want to convert this to double type. What we will do? Double s is obj dot next double, but here it is showing problem. Oh, okay. Obj dot double value. This is the function. So obj is an integer data type, the object of the integer wrapper class, in which the primitive data type I have stored a. Now, in order to convert integer to double, we can write like this. Even if you want to convert this to string, what you will do? What we will do? That is
String
toString.
value.
toString.
Two string.
toString is a function which will convert this to string data type. Now both the values we can print.
Sir, if we want to take out the numbers from a string, then sir, what we will do?
That is yes, that is another way of doing that. I will show you. A string here we will write suppose this one, and I am creating a temporary instance of that. This is how we have converted string to integer. I have converted a string to integer. This is converting. This one is integer, this one is a string, and this one is double. And another way of converting a string to integer is this is another way. This is another way we can use this. So wrapper classes are basically, first of all, these are the classes which stores the value of primitive data type as an object, and second is that these are used to convert one primitive data type to another. Got it?
Sir, wrapper class can only take one value.
Actually, it does not about wrapper class, but any class, if its constructor is having two parameters, then only it will receive two values.
Sir, so integer, it will take one or more than one.
Huh?
Sir,
What?
integer, sir, integer class, sir, it can take more than one also value.
Integer wrapper class, every wrapper class will store only one value, because the constructor of every wrapper class has been decided and has been declared or defined in such a way that it is going to receive only one value.
Sir, can't we modify the parameters of a wrapper class?
Means what? Pardon?
Sir, can't we change the number of parameters that we want to give to wrapper class?
No, we cannot change. These are the things which we have not defined now. It is defined by the experts now of Sun Microsystems. These wrapper class they have defined. And if we want to define our own, then we must create user defined data type or composite data type. Anybody knows composite data type? What is a composite data type? Please tell. Beta, please. So composite data type I will explain later on, okay? But boxing and unboxing you have done. Boxing and auto boxing you understood, children.
Yes, sir.
And this statement is known as unboxing. You can see that. New integer str.int. This is unboxing. And here if I am writing into z is equals to b, where B is a wrapper class and this Z is a primitive data type. This is auto unboxing. Automatically it is doing that. Here we are specifying that. You can see that here unboxing, here we are specifying the name of the wrapper class along with the function. But here we are not specifying. It directly converts integer wrapper class to primitive type. This is unboxing. Any doubt, any query, then please tell.
No, sir.
So this is very important, and since last year council is every time focusing on boxing and unboxing, so all of you please um, study this, and it might come in the examination. Okay, now composite data type, anybody? And every wrapper class, every primitive data type is having a wrapper class. Suppose here I have taken this, and now I want to convert this to integer, but it will not get converted because floating point is there. If we want to convert a string type, then yes, so it will get converted to a string like this. It will not get converted to integer because it is having floating type. It is there that 56.76. That's why it will not be able to. I hope you people have understood. So a wrapper class is a class which stores the value of primitive data type as an object. So for character, there is the wrapper class which is character. For float, the wrapper class is float. For double, double. For int, it is, you all know that integer. For long, you all know that is long. These are the wrapper class at the right side. So every primitive data type has its own wrapper class, boolean. Yes. So these are the wrapper class. In fact, byte. Yes. So these are the wrapper classes. Any doubt, children? Okay, now.
Sir is short
Uh-huh.
having any
Yes,
wrapper
yes.
class.
Short is also a primitive data type. I have missed that, but it is a wrapper. It is a primitive data type. So it is a primitive data type starts with lowercase letter and wrapper class starts with uppercase letter, but the content is same. The name, I am talking about the name. Integer in fact is different, and character is also different for char, but rest of the things will be exactly have the same name, but what differs is the uppercase letter. So every wrapper class starts with the uppercase letter.
Sir, can you please explain unboxing?
Unboxing is the convert. Again, we are converting the wrapper class object to primitive data type. You just converting an object of wrapper class type to corresponding primitive type is known as unboxing, and the Java compiler applies unboxing when the object of a wrapper class is passed as a parameter to the method and expects a value of the corresponding primitive data type. So if in the examination you write simply that converting of an object of the wrapper class to corresponding primitive data type, I will give full marks along with one example. Okay. Shreyansh.
Okay, sir.
Any other query? Any other question? Please tell. Okay, now I'm going to explain you what is a composite data type. So children, here children, sometimes it is very difficult to represent any real world entity, and for that sometimes it is very difficult to represent a real world entity with the help of a single primitive data type. So what we need to do, we need to combine all the primitive data types together. So here we have book ID, here we have string name, here we have author name, and here we have publisher name, and here we have year of publications. So you can see that these 5 attributes, when gets combined together, will be able to represent any book. As a single primitive data type is not able to explain which book, which edition, written by which author and published by which publication you want. So that's why we need to combine all the primitive data type together in a single unit, and it makes a composite data type. Got it? Children, suppose you visit any bookshop and you ask for a Java book written by your Arun sir. So what you need to do? There are so many teachers, so many authors. So you will say that I need introduction to Java or whatever the title is, written by the author is Mr. Arun, and the publication is this much. This one is the publication house, and this is the edition. You want the latest edition, so you need to tell that you want the edition of 2020. Got it? Otherwise he will not be able to provide you the book. So composite data type is, these are the data types which are derived from the primitive data types. These are derived from the what? Primitive data types. Yes, children, any other query? I hope you people have understood. So you have, you know what is constructor, types of constructor, you know constructor overloading, you know this keyword, and you must study or practice the question which are based on constructors, because in examination such questions will definitely come. Yes. Now if you people want to ask anything, please ask. Beta, please tell. Hello. Narhari, Kushagra, Kushi. Beta, please tell. Hello? Hello? Ritika Ghosh?
Yes,
But
sir.
I understood boxing, unboxing, constructor, this keyword,
Yes,
or
sir.
you people want to ask anything, now you can ask.
Sir, what is sir auto unboxing?
Simply if you write, I told you that, na. Suppose you are, suppose this is the object of the wrapper class, and here you have stored 340, you have already stored, and you write here z is equals to ss. So it is converting automatically. This is auto unboxing. Otherwise, you need to write this like ss dot. What you need to write? Int value. This function you need to write. So the second one is unboxing, and first one is unboxing, but it is automatically it is doing so auto unboxing. Any other query? Please tell.
Sir, difference between int value and parse int.
These are no, there is no difference. These are two different functions for converting a string to, or देखिए parse int what does it converts a string to integer, but int value can convert any type to integer. This is the basic difference. First one is a string to integer, and second one is any type to integer. Please tell. Beta ask, hurry up fast. Any other query, children?
Sir, can you please solve this pattern?
Which pattern? Post it. Oh, this question. You asked yesterday also, or day before yesterday. Okay, I'm just going to do that. Wait. Uh, in the same program I'm writing. Okay, is it okay, children?
Yes,
Simply
sir. Yes,
main
sir.
Yes, sir.
method,
Yes.
and this is the limit, and this is a variable d. Here you need enter limit, so that is new scanner system.in dot next int. We have done that. And here what to do? How many lines are there, children?
5.
There are
5.
5
Sir, five.
lines. So it means the limit will go like that. So that is 1 to 5. 1 to 5, 1 to that n, and I plus plus. And then what to do? Every time, yes, d will be 0. And here,
Yes, sir. D plus plus, sir.
and here
Every
you
time.
need to write a variable j, and that will go from 1 till it is less than I, j plus plus. And here you should write d is
So
equals to,
SOP J plus, so J plus D. So
beta
पहले J plus D
wait,
था बस.
wait na, d is equals to d plus j. And one more thing is spaces also you need. So here what you can do, here you can simply print one space also. This is space you can print, and when it terminates, you need to start a loop from I. This k will start from I, uh, and it will go up to limit or n
N.
and k plus plus, and here you should write d is equals to d plus k, and then here you need to display that. So simply you need to write that d plus space, just remove that, and after that you need to change the line. You need to change the line. So here you just check that. If it is 5, you can see that there are 5 lines and it is coming like that. But the thing is, it is not properly organized. So what you need to do,
Tab space.
tab space, and here this is how you can involve tab spaces within this pattern, and it is 5, and now you can see that. Shreyansh, any
Sir,
doubt?
can you please explain?
What explain? Just go through the code. Just go through the code. It is in front of you only. Actually, when suppose the value of I is 3, so what will happen? You need to print from third, but the first two terms you need to get now, otherwise the third term will not come. So while you are printing the spaces, here you need to calculate that. So d is equals to d plus j. These two values are being generated but not printed. So that's why it is. I hope you have understood. Understood?
Sir, एक question, sir. एक question है.
Huh?
Sir, one question.
What? Yes.
Sir, if we print their SOP J plus D and sir, we increment D by 1 every time. Sir, then also, sir, it will be the
So
same code.
try that. If you have any doubt, then please tell. Yes. Any problem, then tell. Yes, children. Any other doubt, then please tell. Any
Sir,
query, children, if you want to ask, please ask. Yes.
so why we are doing d equals to d plus k?
Here we are doing d is equals to d plus k because it is the summation of the natural numbers, na. So we need to do that, na. Oh, you people are not getting this. Just wait. Hello. Yes. So now here, children, what was the pattern? It is 1, 3, 6, 10, 15, like that, na. So initially, what is the value of I1? So this will not go 1 to less than 1. No. Okay. So it will go. It will go from 1. So it will come like 1, 3, 6, 10, 15, printing all these values, and then line will change. Right. Now I becomes 2 and this becomes 0 again. And now this time it will go from 1. Less than 2, it will go 1. So d is equals to d plus 1 will happen, but nothing will get printed, only space. Now I is 2, so it will go from index number 2. So these values will come 3, 6, 10, 15. Then change of line. I becomes 3. So now first two spaces will come, but in between the values you will get. Finally, you will get 3 here when this loop terminates. When this loop terminates, you will get 3. So when it starts from 3, it is 6. That's why 6, 10, and 15 will come. and there is no other way of doing that. And what Shantanu was saying, I need to check that. Vanshika Agrawal, understood now?
Yes, sir.
So this is how you can generate these patterns. Yes, any other query, then please tell. Yes, ask children. Yes, Harshita Yadav,
Yes, sir.
any query, any doubt?
No,
So
sir.
children, syllabus we have already finished, and the small little things are also we have done. And
Sir, value of has same function as %.
yes, what?
Sir, value of
Int
has the
value.
same function.
Int value is different, but it can, int value means that it can convert any value to integer type, but percent will convert only string to integer.
Sir, and value of?
Value of what? String value of what? Value of which function you are talking about?
So there was a question in our exams this half yearly.
Value of, actually what it does, it converts integer to string.
Okay, sir.
Yes, any other query? Any other query, then please tell. Okay, children. So it is now already, it is 10:30, 11:37. I am providing you the link of the Google form so that you people can mark your attendance. Okay. Now Vinith, Vinayak, just wait after the class. And anybody who has not submitted the project, only two were left. Only two children were left. One was Shrestha Bajpayee and another is one more child. In case any query, then you people can ask. Thank you. So after filling the attendance, you may leave the session. Vinith, beta, you have to stay. Thank you.